Hi, it's Tanan, and today we're gonna feature this big house here in Barangay Sintos, Villa Cananga. So tara, obaniko. So this is your park garage. You can park your two cars here and your SUV or van. And then upon entering, you are welcome with this huge door. Diba? Amazing, kayo, nice. And here it is. So, tananin mo na lang kita sa video is included na siya sa for sale. So, this is your living area over here. And of course, your entry diri sa carport nimo. So, this side over here is your kitchen, dining area. So, this is a 6-seater dining. And over here is your breakfast nook or your kitchen area. So, di ba? Nindot kayo, and I love the way na ilahang theme ang ilahang house, black, brown, and white. Makaibog jo kayo na siya na theme. So, over there, so let's check lang dire. Mga to ang service area, and nanapod siya own niya na toilet dire. So, di ba? While pwede mo siya mawutang dirty kitchen or laundry area nimo. So, over here po is your another room. So, dako siya, di ba? So, this house is, dako siya, Jud. Naka-interior na, and then let's proceed upstairs. So, this is the upstairs of the house. So, pwede dyan siya ni mo mahimo diri og family area or entertainment area. And of course, na po kay own ni mo na toilet and bath. So, this is your another room. Still, we have mga windows para dili kayo siya igang tapos natural light to come in, di ba? And of course, dili pod, it's your another bedroom. So, akong ganahan yung isang mga windows and actually high ceiling po siya, di ba? And your mini terrace over here. So proceeding. So welcome to your master's bedroom. So, di ba? Nice kaayo. With all the windows for natural light to come in and also fresh air. And akong ganahan diri is, syempre, kay walk-in closet and of course your toilet and bath over here. Check it out. Tapos, you can also go here and your terrace area. So nice, hangin, fresco, lami kayo magkape-kape early in the morning. So dako actually ang iyang master's bedroom. So if you're looking for a house na here in Villa Cananga in Sintos, this is the perfect fit for you. Once again, I'm Jesse, enjoying this of DQ with the Philippines. Thank you for watching.